The question is, find the number of zeros of p of x for the given graphs. The first graph is so this is the curve y equal to f of x, and the second graph is now we should find out zeros of the graphs. So zeros of the graphs is nothing but the graph which cuts the x-axis. So observe here in the first diagram, the graph means this curve cuts the x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. That's why zeros of this graph is 4. Graph y equal to f of x intersects on x-axis at 4 points. So the zeros of f of x for the given graph is 4. So in the question we mentioned p of x. So p of x or f of x both are same. So otherwise I will change this. This is also can be written as p of x. Similarly, coming to the next question, yes, exactly what you are expected, the answer is correct. In this curve, intersects x-axis at how many points? 1, 2, and 3. So that's why here the zeros of the polynomial p of x is 3. Graph y equal to p of x intersects on x-axis at 3 points. So the zeros of p of x for the given graph is 3.